Hello student, today we are starting with new chapter pair of straight line. Exercise number 4.1, question number 1, 2, 3. The important concept for this exercise are: first, the joint equation is given by ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0. Second point is point slope form equation of the line is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Third point is, if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 implies m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1. If the lines are parallel to each other, then the slope of the two lines remains same. Okay, you understand? If the equations of the two lines are given, equation of a line is given, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of line, then the slope of the line is given by minus a upon b. For finding the root, you must know the formula of the 10th standard. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If u is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0 are the two equations of the line, then for the joint equation you must solve u into b is equal to 0. Okay, these are the important concept for the exercise number 1. Okay, now we are going to the question number 1. Find the joint equation of the following pair of lines. The first equation is given as x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Means your u is equal to, okay. Now what will be the u? U is equal to x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. And what is your v? V is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. For finding the joint equation, you know the condition for this is, what is the condition? Is the product of u and v is equal to 0. Okay. Now I will substitute the value of u. What is the value of u is x plus 2y minus 1. Okay. Now what is the value of v is 2x minus 3y plus 2, okay, is equal to 0. I am writing. Now I will start multiplying the first term with this bracket. So what will come here? 2x square minus 3xy plus 2x. Okay. Now I will start multiplying with 2y. 2 to the 4, xy will come here minus 6y square plus 4y will come here. Okay. Now I will start multiplying this with whole bracket. So what will come here? Minus 2x minus minus plus 3y minus 1 into plus 2, that is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I am arranging the term, that is the 2x square. Okay. This is 3xy, this is 4xy. 4 minus 1 minus 3 is plus 1xy. Okay. Now this is 6y square minus 6y square. This is 2x and minus 2x. Now we write down this equation as 2x square, okay, minus 6y square plus 4xy minus 3xy, means what will come here? Xy will come here. Plus 2x minus 2x will go. Then 4y plus 3y is equal to 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, required joint equation. Okay, joint equation is 2x square minus 6y square plus xy plus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. I hope you understand this problem. Okay. Now we will go to the another problem in which what is given, the equation of the line passing through the point 2 and 3. Means here the point is given and the equation of two lines are given. Okay, now I will consider first as u. What is u? This is 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now what is the slope of this equation is m1 is equal to minus a upon b. Already told you, minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now what is my m2 for this? Because the line is perpendicular, means for this line slope will be slope for u. Slope of the line m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1, that is minus 1 upon 1 by 3. The slope of the second line will be minus 3. Okay, now we will find the equation. You know y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, now I am substituting the value of y1, m and x1. What is y1 is 3. Okay, is equal to, what is the slope of first line is 2 by 3. Okay, now what is the value of x minus 2 will come here. Now by multiplying this equation, 3y minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now I will substitute, transfer this 3y to that side. So what will come here? 2x minus 3y minus 9 also transfer, so plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, first required equation. Okay, now for the second one, I will again substitute the value y minus 3. Okay, what is the value of this is minus 3, second slope. Now x minus 2 will come here. Okay, now the y minus 3 is equal to minus 3x plus 6 will come here. Now I am transferring this, so what will come here? 3x, okay, plus y. This 6 will go here, so what will come here? Minus 9 will come here. Okay, this is the second required equation. For this, for these two equations, you have to find out the joint equation. Okay, now I will start multiplying these two equations. 2x minus 3y plus 5, okay, multiplied by 3x plus y minus 9. Okay, now start multiplying. What will come here? 6x square will come here, plus 2xy will come here, minus 18x will come here, minus 3 3 9xy will come here, minus 3y square will come here, minus 20 minus minus plus 27y will come here. Okay, now multiply this by 5. 5 3 15x, okay, plus 5y minus 9 5 is 45 is equal to 0. Now the standard equation of this line is 6x square, okay, minus, what is this? 3y square. This is minus 7xy. This is my 18x and 15x, 15 or 18 means minus 3x, okay. This is 5y 27y, that is 32y minus 45 is the required equation. We are going to start question number 2. Find the separate equation of the line 3x square minus 10xy minus 8y square. Okay, now multiply last term into first term. What will come here? 24x square y square will come here. Now this can be written as minus 12xy plus 2xy. Okay, these are the factors. Minus 12 plus 2 is equal to minus 10xy. Now I am substituting the value 3x square minus 12xy plus 2xy minus 8y square is equal to 0. Now I will take out the common from these two terms. what will come here? 3x will taken out common. So what will come? 3x x minus 4y will come here. From this I can take out 2y common. So what will come here? X minus 4y will come. The brackets are equal means problem is correct. Okay, x minus 4y, x 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now I am equating this with x minus 4y is equal to 0. This is my first equation, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. This is my required two equation for the given equation of line. Okay. Now this type of problem can be solved by which method? Middle term splitting method. Okay. Now we are going. Student, we start question number 2. The third question. X square plus 2 cosec alpha xy plus y square is equal to 0. This is the different types of problem. Two problems are given in which the trigonometric function is given. For this problem you divide the equation, divide whole equation by x square. Okay. Now what will come here? X square upon x square plus 2 cosec alpha xy upon x square plus y square upon x square. Okay. Now what will come here? This will get cancelled. The 1 will come here plus 2 cosec alpha plus x will get cancelled with this, means y upon x will come here plus I can write down this term as y by x the whole. Let y upon x is equal to k. You can substitute this by k. Okay. The equation will come to be 2 cosec alpha into k plus k square is equal to 0. Now I will arrange this equation. So I will get k square plus 2 cosec alpha into k plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. By using formula method, you can factorize this equation so that you can find out the value of k. Formula method. Okay. Now for this you must know a. What is the value of a? Is 1. B is 2 cosec alpha and c is equal to 1. Okay. Now I will first find out the value of k is equal to, write down the formula, minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now what I will get? Minus b means minus 2 cosec alpha. Okay. Plus minus under root of b square means 4 cosec square alpha 4 into 1 into 1, because a is also 1, c is also 1, upon 2a. A is 1, therefore it will come to be 2. Now minus 2 cosec alpha plus minus, for this 4 can be taken out common, so out of root this will come to be 2 under root of cosec square alpha minus 1 will come here upon 2. Now I can take out 2 common. Okay. Now minus cosec alpha plus minus under root of cosec square alpha minus 1 will come here upon 2. So this 2 will get cancelled with क्या होगा? This you know the formula cosec. You already know the formula 1. Formula 1 plus cos square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha. By using transferring 1 to that side, I will get cos square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha minus 1. Okay. Now I will substitute this value. What I will get? Cot square alpha. And out of the square root, what I will get? Minus cosec alpha plus minus cot alpha. Okay. You understand? These are the two values of k. Okay. But here you have taken let. So you have to do but also. Therefore, but y upon x is equal. Now I will substitute the value of k. What is the value of first value of k is minus cosec alpha plus cot alpha. Okay. Now I will transfer x to that side. So y is equal to minus cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x will come here. Okay. Now what will transfer here? Y will get transfer. So 0 is equal to minus cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x minus y. Now I can change the sign. So what will come here? 0 is equal to, this is minus, therefore this will come to be plus cosec alpha minus cot alpha x. This is minus y, therefore it will come to be, this is the required first equation. Okay. Now what I will do here? I will substitute again y upon x is equal to minus cosec alpha minus cot alpha. Okay, second value I am putting here. Now again I will transfer x to that side. So what will get? Minus cosec alpha minus cot alpha, okay, into x. From this I can take out minus sign and transfer. I can transfer this cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x is equal to y. Now I will transfer this whole term, so that will become a plus, means cosec alpha x plus cot alpha into cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x plus y is equal to 0. This is the required second equation. This problem is very important for 3 marks. Okay. So you practice this problem. We are going to the question number 3. In the question number 3, you have to find the joint equation. Means you must know the two equations for the pair of line passing through origin. This is very important one, which are perpendicular to the line. Means the lines are perpendicular to this joint equation line. So I will solve this by middle term splitting. What will come here? 5x square minus 5xy minus 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. You know the how to multiply this by this, means what will come here? 5x square into 3x square. Okay. Now what will come? 15x square y square. Then again this divide into 5xy 3xy. Okay. Substitute here minus sign. This is also minus sign. So 8 will come here. Okay. I will gather these two terms and take out the common. So what I will get? 5x taken out common, x minus y, minus 3y taken out common, again x minus y, means my factors are correct. Okay. These two brackets are equal. X minus y and 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now I can equate this bracket with the 0. This is the first equation of line. Okay, means this is u. And what is the second equation? Is 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. Okay. What is the slope of this line? Is given by m1. Okay. is equal to minus a upon b. So minus 1 upon minus 1. What will come here? 1 will come here. What is the slope of this line? Is minus 5 upon minus 3. That is equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Now you know if the lines are perpendicular, what is the condition? Is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 minus 1 upon m1. Okay. For using this formula, I will get m2 here is minus 1. Okay. Now what I will get here? m2 is equal to minus 3 upon 5 will come here. Okay. Now what is the equation? The lines are passing through origin. Since lines are passing through origin, therefore the equation of the line y is equal to mx होता है. So y is equal to 40. Since the lines are passing through the origin, the equation is in the form of y is equal to mx. Therefore I am substituting the value y is equal to minus 1 is the slope and into x. Now I will transfer here. So what will get? I am equation is 0. X plus y is equal to 0. Now I will substitute this in this equation, minus 3 upon 5 into x. Okay. Now this will come here, 5y is equal to minus 3x. Okay. Now what I will do? 3x will transfer here to 3x plus is equal to 0. This is the required equation for the two lines. Okay. Now I want to find out the joint equation. Means for joint equation, what I will do? Multiply this into b is equal to 0. Okay. Now x plus y, by substituting the value, into 3x plus 5y, okay, is equal to 0. What I will get? 3x square plus 5xy plus 3xy plus 5y square I will get. Okay. Now is equal to 0. Now I know these two terms are equal terms, so I can add this one. So I will get 3x square plus 8xy plus 5y square. This is the required answer for the given.